Hello, my name is Alicia Estrada and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing a regular day in my life. This is going to involve cleaning, getting organized, studying, making food, going to university. My day begins with me taking the bus and ends with me laying my head on my pillow. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time. So usually when I get home, I'm honestly starving. So I'll probably make a snack, a smoothie, whatever. Today was a fruit smoothie, eggs, and pieces of cucumber on the side. Usually when I'm alone and I'm eating, I like to watch something entertaining. So today was Netflix and I was watching 13 Reasons Why. I just finished the series and honestly, I don't know how to feel about it. So after giving myself a bit of time to relax, to eat, do whatever I want to do, I go straight to my room and I start cleaning whatever mess I left in the morning from just getting ready for school. Actually just watching Loey while I clean, and I'm gonna start with the clothes and putting them away. And just a side note, I actually went to Joe Fresh the other day and I picked up these bralettes, which are so comfortable. The part that's not lace is like a silk soft material, and they're originally $16, then they were marked down to $7, and then an additional 25% off. So I got them for around $6, because of tax. But highly recommend. I got them in black and also in this really pretty light blue color. I thought they'd be perfect for fall time to wear under cozy sweaters.